everyone, come let's make this beautiful granny square. For this project I have used 4 colors acrylic yarn and 4 mm crochet needle. On the magic ring, make 1 chain and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 single crochet on the magic ring. Now pull the yarn and make a slip knot on the single crochet. Skip that chain. On the single crochet, make a slip knot. Now move on to the second round. Make 5 chains. This is 3 chains is considered as 1 double crochet, 2 chains as considered as 2 chain space. Another 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and make another double crochet on the next stitch. Each stitches 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Total number of stitches is 8 double crochet and 8 2 chain space. Continue this. The last double crochet, make 2 chains and make a slip knot on the third chain where we made 5 chains. Okay, now move on to the next round. Make a slip knot on the chain 2 space. There I made 2 chains and 1 double crochet here. Now again 2 chains and make 2 double crochet into the same chain 2 space. Here 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Now make a single crochet on the double crochet. Okay, double crochet stitch. Now move on to the next 2 chain space and make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and make another 2 double crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now on the double crochet stitch, make 1 single crochet. Continue this process. Make a slip knot on the second chain and finish it. Now I am going to cut this yarn and secure it. See how it is? Now insert the needle on the chain 2 space anywhere on the stitch. 2 chains. Sorry, this video is little bit glary. I hope you can understand these videos. Excuse me for this. 1, 2, 3 double crochet, cluster and 2 chains. Again make another 3 double crochet, cluster, 2 and 3. Now I have 4 on my loop. Wrap the yarn, pull through and 2 chains. Again another set of double crochet, cluster on the same 2 chain space. Okay, now 2 chains and now see I have 3 double crochet, cluster. And see, I am going to skip all these stitches and enter it into the chain 2 space. Make a 1 single crochet. Again 2 chains and slip all these stitches and go into the chain 2 space. Make another 3 sets of double crochet, cluster. 1, 2 chains and again another set of double crochet, cluster. Wrap the yarn, pull through and 2 chains. Again another set of double crochet, cluster. 3 double crochet, cluster is completed. Now 2 chains and move on to the next chain 2 space and make a single crochet. Continue this process. Now make a slip knot on the cluster. Done. Isn't it look like a granny square? Beautiful granny square. Now I am going to cut this yarn and use another color. Okay, first before that we have to secure our yarn. We will use another color. I'm going to start with in between that cluster. Now 2 chains, this is considered as 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and again going to make another 3 double crochet on the same chain space. Now 1 chain and move on to the next chain space. Skip that cluster and here I am going to make another 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and again 3 double crochet. Done. Now chain 1 and move on to the chain 2 space. Here on the side chain 2 space, there I have made 3 double crochet, chain 1 and here the side of this space and again making another 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and move on to the cluster. In the cluster chain space I am making 2 sets of 3 double crochet. 1 set of 3 double crochet, chain 1 another set of 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. Chain 1 and again move on to the next chain space and make another 3 double crochet. Now make a slip knot on the second chain and finish it off. Now I am going to cut this yarn and secure it. Now again I am going to use another color. You can continue with the same color as well. Now again 1, 2, 3 double crochet on the chain 1 space here. Now this is the cluster side. Here I am going to make 1 double crochet, 2 and 3. 3 double crochet, chain 1. See, this is the corner of the granny square. So I am going to make 1 double crochet, 2 3 double crochet, chain 1, 2, and again make a 3 double crochet on the same chain space. This is the corner of the square. Now again chain 1 and make another 3 sets of double crochet on the chain 1 space. This is that cluster on top of the cluster. Okay, now making another 3 sets of double crochet on the chain 1 space. Chain 1, move to the next chain 1 space and make another 3 sets of double crochet. Chain 1 here, this is the second corner, so I am going to make 1 double crochet, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and again make another 3 double crochet on this corner. Continue this process. Done. Now make a slip knot on this and cut the yarn, secure it. Hope you enjoy my video. Nandri, Vanakkam, see you on next video.